Okay, my dear students, we will start a new topic today. Congruence of triangle. Two triangles are congruent. If there is a triangle here, let's say ABC. If there is another triangle here, PQR. Congruent का साइन ऐसा है. This is triangle ABC congruent to triangle. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. का मतलब क्या है? AB congruent to PQ, BC congruent to QR, and AC congruent to PR. Means corresponding sides are congruent. AB अगर 4 है, PQ is also 4. This is congruent to this. अगर इधर 4.2 है, इधर भी 4.2 है. This is congruent to this. अगर इधर 4.5 है, ये भी 4.5. This is congruent to this. This is congruent to this. This is congruent to this. Very, very important thing in congruent triangle is that they will match if corresponding sides are matching. इसके लिए तुमको एक बात बोलता है, corresponding side को मैच हो जाना चाहिए. इसको मैं ये 4 है, ये मैच होता है ये 4 से, 4.2 मैच होता है 4.2 से, 4.5 मैच होता है 4.5 से. बट बाई चांस ये इधर डाला तो मैच नहीं होगा, ये 4 होएगा, इधर 4.2 है. ये इधर मैच करेगा तो हो जाता है, बराबर बैठता है. ये इधर में तो बराबर बैठता है. तो एग्जैक्टली सेम वे मैच होना चाहिए. ये 4 के ऊपर रखने का है, ये 4.2 इधर 4.2 के ऊपर, 4.5 ऐसा रखेगा तो one triangle exactly matches the other triangle. अगर तुम 4.5 वाला इधर रखेगा तो मैच नहीं होगा. तो corresponding sides are congruent. Corresponding side congruent बोले तो मैच भी हो जाते हैं. Next here इधर angle let's say 70 degrees. This also 70 degrees. Angle A congruent to angle P. Similarly, A 50 है, A भी 50 रहेगा. So angle B congruent to angle Q. Angle C 60 है, तो A भी 60 रहेगा. Therefore, I will write here angle A congruent to angle P, both are equal to 70 degrees. Angle B congruent to angle Q, both are 50 degrees. Angle C congruent to angle R, each one 60 degrees. We will write here corresponding angles of congruent. Corresponding angles are congruent. अगर congruent है, ये 50 के ऊपर मैच हो जाता है, ये 60 के ऊपर मैच होता है, 70 के ऊपर मैच होता है. ऐसा रखेगा तो दोनों ट्रायंगल एक ही जैसा दिखेगा. The area of this triangle is equal to this. ऐसा रखेगा तो they will match properly. But 50 cannot match with 70. ये लेके उधर रखेगा तो मैच नहीं होगा. A इसके ऊपर, B इसके ऊपर, C के ऊपर, ऐसा एक ही ट्रायंगल दिखेगा. तो ऐसा रखेगा तो एक ही ट्रायंगल. So corresponding sides will match. This is 4, this also 4. This is 4.2, this also 4.2. is 4.5. This also 4.5. Corresponding sides are matching. 4 matches with 4. 4.2 matches with 4.2. 4.5 matches with this. This angle A matches with angle P. Both are 70 degrees. Angle B matches with angle Q. Both are 50 degrees. This is exactly 60. This is exactly 60. The corresponding angles are congruent and corresponding sides are congruent. A very important thing in congruent triangles. Area of this will be equal to this, but if they will match only, corresponding angle is kept on the corresponding angle. Corresponding side is kept on the, they will exactly match. You won't find a difference. Areas will be same. Now, how can you decide the two triangles are congruent? Tests for corresponding angles, tests for congruence of triangles. One is SSS test. AB congruent to PQ. 4 is congruent to this. Second, BC congruent to QR. 5. Third one, AC congruent to PR. 3 and 3. Therefore, this is congruent to this by triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by side test. SSS test मतलब side test. Side test. Side test. This is the first one. Second, SAS test. देखो SAS side angle side test. This is the second one. AB congruent to PQ बराबर है 3 is equal to 3. उसके बाद angle B congruent to angle Q. This is 40 and this also 40. And BC congruent to QR. This is 6 and this is 6. Sides, angle, sides. Side, angle, side test. SAS test. The two triangles are congruent. Very important thing in this is the angle should be between the two sides. We say angle should be sandwiched between the, all of you know what is sandwich. तो ब्रेड के नीचे बीच में ऑमलेट डालेगा तो सैंडविच ऑमलेट सैंडविच हो जाते हैं. So 40 should be sandwiched between 3 and 6. Suppose I give you this is 40, this is 40, इधर SAS टेस्ट होएगा क्या? साइड एंगल साइड नहीं, ये दोनों साइड के बीच में होना चाहिए, इसलिए मैं बोला सैंडविच होना चाहिए। दिस एंगल शुड बी इक्वल टू दिस। कोई भी एंगल नहीं, अगर 70 दिया, ये भी 70 दिया, ये नहीं दिया तो नहीं चलेगा। ये दोनों साइड के बीच में जो एंगल है that should be congruent, then only we call it SAS test, side angle side test. This is the second. Your angle should be sandwiched between the two sides. Now next, third one, SAS test हो गया। Now third one, ASA test, angle side। इसको ऐसा भी लिखता है SAA test, ऐसा भी बोल सकता है। ये कैसा है? एंगल 70, दिस इज 40, दिस इज 5 सेंटीमीटर। This is A, B, C, P, Q, R. This angle 70, this angle 70. This angle 40, this angle 40. And this side 5, and this side also 5. So angle, side, congruent to angle, side. These two angles are congruent. These two angles are congruent. These two sides are congruent. Or you can say side angle, 540, 70, 540, 70. So you can write side angle, side angle, or side angle, or angle, side, angle, side. The two triangles are congruent. Triangle, let's say triangle ABC, congruent to triangle PQR by S angle, side test. What side है? Side angle test. ये 3 हो गया, अभी ये थर्ड वन आ गया। अभी फोर्थ वन, fourth one is like this. Hypotenuse side test. So this can be applicable only for right angle triangle because hypotenuse is there. Hypotenuse is only for right angle triangle. If there is a triangle here, A, B, C, 90 degrees. There is another triangle here, P, Q, R. This also 90 degrees. If two triangles are right angle triangles, then if I tell you this hypotenuse is congruent to this hypotenuse, and any other pair is congruent. Suppose I say BC congruent to QR. This is congruent to this. Already we got one information. This is 90, this is 90. They are right angle triangles. This hypotenuse congruent to this hypotenuse. This side congruent to this side. We have what? Triangle ABC congruent to triangle QR by hypotenuse side test. अगर इसके बदले में ये कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं है, ये कॉन्ग्रुएंट होगा तो नहीं चलेगा। दिस इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू दिस, हाइपोटेन्यूज एंड साइड कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू हाइपोटेन्यूज एंड साइड, कोई भी एक परपेंडिकुलर है, दिस इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू दिस एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज डेफिनेटली शुड बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट, दिस इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू दिस, दिस इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू दिस और दिस इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू दिस। इन बोथ केसेस हाइपोटेन्यूज साइड टेस्ट इज एप्लीकेबल। तो चार्ट दिया है तुम लोगों को to test whether the triangles are congruent You can use these 4 tests. The 5th test, to check whether the triangles are congruent or not. This is ASA test, angle side angle test. Angle side angle, congruent to angle side angle. These two are 70, these are 5, these are 50. And this is congruent to this angle congruent to this angle congruent to. So triangles congruent by triangle ABC. ABC congruent to triangle PQR by angle side angle test. Very important. Here, as I said in the previous case, the angle should be sandwiched. Here, side should be sandwiched. These two angles are congruent to these two angles. बीच में जो side है, AB is sandwiched between 70 and 50, and PQ is sandwiched between 70 and 50. Suppose I give you this is 5 and this is 5. चलेगा नहीं, because this is the side sandwiched between 70 and 50. बीच में जो साइड है, ये इसका बीच में साइड ये नहीं है, ये होना चाहिए. जब ये नहीं चलेगा, ये साइड should be between the two angles. That's why ASA, S is between A and A. This is the 5th test for congruence of triangle. Fine, you understood the 5 tests for congruence of triangle. Let us do some sums. So, okay, let's go to 2 more theorems in triangle. We are continuing with the triangles. First theorem, this theorem says that isosceles triangle theorem. If 2 sides are congruent, the angles opposite them are congruent. Let there be a triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle. Side AB congruent to side AC given. To prove given. To prove angle B congruent to angle C. If 2 sides are congruent, then the angles opposite to them are congruent. They have given that AB is congruent to AC. To prove that angle B is congruent to angle C. For that we make a construction. What construction we will make? Draw AD, bisector of angle A. So we will make AD bisector of angle A. So we will make this AD. This is angle bisector. This is equal to this. Now proof. This is given. This is to prove construction and proof. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, I will draw this triangle ABD and triangle ACD. In these 2 triangles, AB congruent to AC. कारण क्या है? AB is congruent to AC. They are given. AB congruent to AC given. And angle bad congruent to angle CAD. Angle BAD congruent to angle CAD. Reason क्या है? Construction. We have done the construction. क्या construction किया? Draw AD bisector of this. अगर ये bisector construct किया तो this angle will be equal to this angle. Is equal to this. Construction. AD congruent to AD. AD of this triangle congruent to AD of this triangle. Common है ना? AD congruent to AD. Common. Common side. Therefore, triangle BAD, triangle BAD, triangle BAD congruent to triangle SAT. See. By which test? This is congruent to this angle congruent to this angle, this is the common side. Side angle side, congruent to side angle side. So you have to write your reason. Angle bad congruent to angle side, side angle side congruent to side angle side. So SAS test. By SAS test, this triangle is congruent to this triangle. If triangles are congruent, therefore angle B congruent to angle C, corresponding angles of congruent triangle. You have to write short formula. See, corresponding angles of congruent triangle. Angle B congruent to angle C. Prove here. Easy. This is congruent to this. Angle B congruent to C. That's what we have to prove. We have to prove that angle B congruent to angle C. Now, let us.
So,
this is to prove the converse of isosceles triangle. Converse with the reverse statement. Converse is not true for every time. When somebody dies, we say he was a very good man. Even if he is bad, he was bad, we say he was a great man, very good. But it does not mean that when we praise about some man, he was bad. Similarly, Sunday is a holiday. Sunday is a holiday because it is Easter. Does not mean that if it is a holiday, it must be Sunday. If it is a holiday, it may be Bakrid also, it may be Diwali also, anything. Sunday is a holiday, means it is Easter, that's right. But if it is a holiday, it must be Easter, बोलेगा तो wrong है. So converse need not be true everywhere, but here converse is true. इधर हम लोग किया है, if sides are congruent, angles are congruent. इधर हम लोग prove करने वाले हैं, if angles are congruent, then the sides are congruent. Opposite sides. So reverse statement. कैसा prove करेंगे? We draw a triangle here. The P, Q, R. Given angle P congruent to angle R. That's given. To prove PQ congruent to PR. They have given that this is congruent to this. हमको प्रूव करना है PQ congruent to PR. Reverse statement. In the previous case क्या था? This is congruent to this. Prove that this is congruent to this. हम लोग प्रूव किया. अभी क्या दिया है? This is congruent to this. प्रूव करने का this is congruent to this. कैसा करें? उसके लिए भी एक हम लोग कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे. एक कंस्ट्रक्शन, same construction what we did before. Construction, draw line PS. इधर हम x है तो इधर this is equal to this. We'll construction draw PS, bisector of angle P, और angle P. Angle P का bisector बनाया. This angle equal to this angle. Now proof. In triangle PQS and PRS. Angle Q congruent to, or angle P, नहीं, angle Q congruent to angle R. Angle Q congruent to angle R. दिया है. To prove that PQ congruent to PR. बराबर हो समझा. Draw PS अभी बराबर. They are given angle Q congruent to angle R. Given. They are given. Then angle QPS congruent to QPS congruent to angle RPS. कारण क्या है? Because we are constructed this angle congruent to this angle because we are drawn angle bisector. Because PS is angle bisector. Construction. And PS is angle bisector. Therefore, this angle equals this. Side PS congruent to side PS. This is congruent to this. Common side. Common side. Therefore, triangle PQS congruent to triangle PRS by क्या है? Angle side. Angle side. Angle side. AS test. Angle side congruent to angle side. Therefore, PQ congruent to PR. That's what we want to prove. PQ congruent to PR. Corresponding sides of congruent triangle. So अभी हम लोग क्या प्रूव किया इधर? Angle congruent दिया. So we have proved that sides are congruent. These two sides are congruent. They are given angle Q equal to angle R. We have proved that PQ congruent to PR. I hope you understood this. I am sure you understood the two theorems. One is the converse of the other. This is isosceles triangle theorem we have proved. This is converse of the isosceles triangle theorem. I hope you understood all the theorems. And if you like it, please show that like, then subscribe and share it, please. Thank you. We'll see you in the next lecture.